Welcome to the best picks. The Best Drive Point Well Kit is probably one of the most versatile and efficient ways to access groundwater for various purposes, from supplemental irrigation to establishing a reliable source of potable water. But before you rush to buy one, there are several factors you need to consider to ensure you select the right kit for your specific needs and geological conditions. Choosing the right kit involves careful consideration of factors like well depth, water table depth, soil type, and your intended water usage. Number 5. Simmons 1722-1 Drive Points. This is the Simmons 1722-1 Drive Point, designed for superior performance in diverse soil conditions. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting reliability. It's engineered to be driven into all types of soil with ease, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Note the jacket over gauze construction. It's permanently fixed to the perforated steel pipe for lasting durability and optimal water flow. The innovative design allows it to pass all the sand-free water the pipe can carry, maximizing your water yield. It features a stainless steel jacket and gauze, ensuring superior corrosion resistance and longevity. This means less maintenance and a longer lifespan. Choose the Simmons 1722-1 for a reliable and efficient solution to your water well needs. It's built to last. What we like. It boasts a robust stainless steel build, ensuring longevity and reliability. Its unique design allows for efficient water flow in various soil conditions. If you need a long-lasting, versatile well point for any soil type, this is the one for you. What people say. The welds are heavy and durable and the threading is machined perfectly. The Simmons 1722-1 1-to-1 stainless steel drive point made it through without a problem. It has a couple hundred small holes, which is what I was looking for. Not even a razor-thin rock has a chance of slicing into the inner mesh. Number 4. Simmons 1721-1 well point. This heavy-duty well point is designed for superior performance and durability. It's built to handle the toughest jobs and various soil conditions. It features a robust design, able to withstand demanding applications. The galvanized steel ensures long-lasting protection against corrosion. It's engineered to be driven into all types of soil with ease. This makes it ideal for a wide range of projects. Its unique jacket over gauze construction ensures optimal water flow. It allows the passage of all the sand-free water the pipe can carry. It's constructed with high-quality stainless steel and galvanized components. This guarantees superior strength and resistance to corrosion. It's designed for efficient water removal from various soil types. This makes it a reliable solution for dewatering applications. Choose this well point for its superior performance and long-lasting durability. It's the ideal solution for your dewatering needs. What we like. This heavy-duty option is built to withstand tough conditions. The stainless steel construction guarantees durability and resistance to corrosion. If you prioritized strength and resilience in your well point, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The point seems very well made. I drove it down about 15 feet 10 feet below the water level with a post pounder and had no problems. These points work better than you'd think they would. Be sure the threads are tight, as they tend to loosen as you drive the point in. Great product. Looked sturdy. Worked great. Water is clean and drinkable after driving well point 35 foot down. Number 3. K2AWB36304K 80 well pump. This powerful pump is perfect for shallow well or pitcher pump installations. It's built to last with durable materials and a reliable design. It features a 1-to-1/4-inch diameter and 80-gauge stainless steel screen for efficient water flow and filtration. This ensures clean and reliable water delivery. With a 36-inch pipe length, it's ideal for various well depths. Its length ensures efficient water extraction from your well. It's constructed from high-quality stainless steel gauze and galvanized cast iron for exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. This ensures a long lifespan, even in harsh conditions. It's certified lead-free by NSF ANSI 61, ensuring safe and healthy water for your home. You can trust it to provide clean, lead-free water for your family. This pump is designed for easy installation in shallow well or pitcher pump systems. It's a simple solution for reliable water access. What we like. With its fine 80 gauge, it ensures efficient water filtration. It's also certified lead-free, prioritizing your family's health. If you're setting up a shallow well and need a safe, efficient solution, this is perfect. Number 2. K2AWP36305K80 Well Pump. This innovative pump is designed for shallow well or pitcher pump applications. It's built to last with durable materials and advanced technology. It features a stainless steel gauze for superior filtration and a galvanized cast iron pipe and drive point for long-lasting performance. This ensures years of reliable service. The 2-inch drive point ensures efficient water intake. This design maximizes water flow and minimizes energy consumption. With a 36-inch pipe length and 80 gauge filtration, it's perfectly sized for shallow well installations. This ensures optimal water extraction and filtration. It's certified lead-free by NSF/ANSI 61, ensuring safe and clean drinking water for your family. You can trust it for years of reliable, safe performance. It's designed for easy installation in shallow well or pitcher pump systems. Simple to set up and maintain, saving you time and effort. What we like. Its larger diameter and fine gauze allow for a significantly higher water flow rate. This makes it ideal for situations demanding a strong and consistent water supply. If you need a high-volume water source, this is the one to choose. What people say. This standpoint cooks like it will do well for my job. Number 1. Ready 150-foot hand well pump. This system provides a reliable way to access your well water without needing electricity. It's durable, lightweight, and easy to transport, making it perfect for various situations. It's built to last with a durable design, yet it remains lightweight and portable for easy transport and storage. Take it with you wherever you need it. Get quick access to your well water without relying on electricity. It's perfect for emergencies or off-grid living. This pump is simple to install and even easier to uninstall for storage or transport. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. With a 7/8-inch diameter, it fits most wells and can lift water up to 150 feet vertically. It delivers a flow rate similar to your household faucet. It's designed with freeze protection to withstand harsh conditions. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA, ensuring high quality and durability. What we like. It's lightweight, portable, and doesn't require electricity. You can easily access your well water even in remote locations. If you value convenience and portability, and need a solution for lifting water up to 150 feet, this is your ideal choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.